don't think there's anything better than leaving work on a Friday afternoon. What's going on, guys? Elijah Porter here, and welcome back to the channel. And yes, I am on my way home from a very stressful week at work on a beautiful Friday afternoon, and I am really looking forward to this weekend, and I'm going to take you guys along. I don't usually do this kind of thing, but I'm just going to vlog my weekend for you guys because we've got some cool stuff happening. Like I said, this has been like the light at the end of the tunnel for my past like 2 weeks at work, which has just been crazy busy. But yeah, I'm excited to take you guys along. So first thing, tonight, my wife and I are going out on the town with some friends to downtown Fort Lauderdale for some dinner. We'll probably see some cool cars there. I plan to take you guys along for that. Saturday morning, we have Supercar Saturday at the shops at Pembroke Gardens in Pembroke Pines, Florida. Happens first Saturday of every month. If you're local down here, it's an amazing car show. It is free to the public. And I missed last month's, but I'm usually there every month, and so I'm very excited that that's going to happen tomorrow. Hopefully we see some really awesome cars there. The next thing on the list of things this weekend is the fact that this might be exciting to some of you, might be irrelevant to you guys, but I told you guys I majored in marine biology in college, so I love the ocean, coral reefs, all that stuff. And I've been slowly kind of reconstructing my saltwater aquarium at home, and it is finally ready to put some animals in it. So this weekend I know I'm gonna go shopping for some fish and maybe some coral for the aquarium, so I'm excited about that as well. If you guys did not know, I'm also a huge Formula One fan. I love, of course, Ferrari is my favorite team, but I just love Formula One, always have, and I've really gotten into it more the past couple seasons. But Sunday is the Turkish Grand Prix at 8 in the morning. Unfortunately, we get terrible times for F1 races here in the US just because they're usually in Europe. So that'll be happening Sunday morning, and Sunday should be a pretty fun day as well. I think we're having dinner with some friends Sunday night. So it's just a weekend that I'm really looking forward to, and I'm excited to take you guys along for the ride. So please stick around and enjoy the video. I know that right now I am going to go enjoy this evening on my Ducati Scrambler Desert Sled, which I am currently riding, the trusty steed.
You think I'm a steed?
I will catch up with you guys probably tonight when we're on our way to dinner.
Now we're going to pick up our friend Eric, and we're going to go to downtown Fort Lauderdale to get some dinner. So we'll check in with you guys when we get there.
Alright guys, we are here at, what's this one? At B Square in downtown Fort Lauderdale. We're gonna eat some delicious food. We're here with our friend Eric. Alright, so we're starting our dinner with some filet tips that look absolutely delicious. I have a drink called an Old Cuban. I don't know what's in it. Some sort of rum something, I think. Alright, finally got our food. Took a little while, but Kathleen got something called the fish bowl. It looks delicious. I got a burger with a lot of stuff on it. Fried egg, bacon, tomato, lettuce, all that good stuff, fries. Eric got a burger that's inside a tortilla. The Nacho Mama burger. Look at that french fry. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, October 9th, and it's kind of a rainy Saturday, although it's not currently actually raining, it's just kind of cloudy. So hopefully that's just going to keep the temperature down because we are going to be going to Supercar Saturday here in a little bit. Right now I'm just going to make some breakfast and watch the F1 qualifying for the Turkish Grand Prix that happens tomorrow. So Hopefully Ferrari does really well. That's always who I pull for. And I haven't really talked about being that much of an F1 fan on the channel, but I really enjoy F1. I try not to miss a race. Try not to miss like practices or qualifying, but that can be really hard over here in the States because like this morning I think practice 3 was at like 4:30 in the morning, which is crazy. I'm not getting up to watch that, but I try not to miss as much as I can. So I'm very excited that there's a race this weekend, and yeah, we're gonna go to Supercar Saturday in a little bit. So stick around, and I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. So I made myself a little breakfast sandwich, a little tomato, egg, bacon, cheese sandwich. I'm gonna eat it, watch the rest of qualifying, and it's been pretty interesting so far because the track is wet, so and a lot of spin-offs and stuff. So hopefully both my Ferraris, hopefully they keep it together.
Alright guys, so qualifying actually went pretty well for Ferrari. Charles Leclerc got 4th, but because of Lewis Hamilton's grid penalty, he gets to start 3rd. So if you don't care about F1 or don't understand the rules or whatever, you can ignore all that. But anyway, we are on our way to Supercar Saturday, so we will check in with you guys when we get there.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings down. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are, and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
So we got here to Supercar Saturday. We're just kind of walking down to where the cars are. So I hope you guys enjoy all these clips of all the cars you're about to see.
Different about us. There's something 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 different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about
Alright guys, so we made it to Starbucks, of course, like always. When we come to Supercar Saturday, we always have to come to Starbucks. But sorry, it's like hard to vlog at Supercar Saturday because there's really loud music going on and lots of people getting in the way and stuff. So it's really hard to vlog. So sorry I didn't really talk a lot. There's just a lot of clips of us walking around and looking at the cars. But kind of try to do what I can. It's just so loud with the DJ and stuff. So anyway, we're going to enjoy our Starbucks and get on with the rest of our day. Supercar Saturday was a lot of fun, but we went home and switched out cars to a car that's a little more comfortable. And also I needed to put my GoPros back inside because the Porsche doesn't really lock up, so I needed to drop those off before we ran our errands. But now we are headed to a fish store to look for some new corals for our aquarium. So I don't know what else we're going to do today, but like I said, we're just taking you guys along for the whole weekend. So well guys, we are back at home. The fish store really didn't have anything we were interested in, so no additional corals for the tank. But unfortunately the weather has gotten really kind of gross out here. It's very gray, it's getting windy and lightning, so we've just kind of been chilling at home for the rest of the afternoon. Kind of a boring Saturday after the excitement and fun of Supercar Saturday and Formula One this morning. But I'm just keeping the weekend vlog going, like I said. So we decided to go to the one and only Chick-fil-A for dinner on this beautiful Saturday evening. And they gave us about 1 million sauces. There's so many sauces. I think we only ordered like 4 sauces. And usually they underdo the sauces, but at least today they overdid it. So next time, if we don't get any, we'll have some more. Well, good morning, guys. It is Sunday now, and not just any Sunday. It is Grand Prix Sunday. F1 Turkish Grand Prix this morning. I, of course, will be pulling for Ferrari, as I mentioned yesterday. Today, I'm not sure what we have in store. I'm going to start off by making some breakfast, just like I did yesterday. During the week, I just eat cereal because it's really quick. So on the weekends, I kind of like to take my time, make myself a good breakfast. And I'm going to watch the race, which starts at 8 o'clock. So kind of early over here, an 8 o'clock race, but that's okay. So I'm going to wrap up what I'm doing down here, go upstairs, make my breakfast, and get ready for the race.
Pretty much the whole race, humidity still 94%.
We got a wet track this morning, so this could get very interesting.
Turkish Grand flag, and Bottas crosses the line to win the Turkish Grand Prix. It has been the commanding...
You find us again in the car because we just run a bunch of errands on the weekends. That's what we usually do. So Ferrari did not do amazing in the race this morning. They could have done a lot better, but they didn't. They made some bad decisions in classic Ferrari form, but that's okay, I guess. And then I was watching the Dolphins game and they were sucking also, so we decided to go back out to the fish store again and get some stuff. So I'll show you guys what we got when we get home. All right, the new additions to the tank. We have 2 new maroon clownfish and a green bubble tip anemone that is slowly starting to open back up from its travels. I think the anemone, I think the clownfish are annoying it a little bit, but that's okay. It'll get over it eventually. It's kind of opening up now, actually, a little bit. But yeah, very happy with the new additions to the tank. Well guys, it is now nice and early on a Monday morning and it is time for me to go back to work, unfortunately. I'm sorry I didn't really vlog a whole lot for Saturday and Sunday after Supercar Saturday and the fish store and stuff. We just honestly didn't do a lot and the weather was kind of bad. So yeah, we just didn't, there wasn't really much to vlog. But I do want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did make it all the way to the end, you might as well go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button because clearly something resonated with you and you enjoyed watching the whole video. But once again guys, oh, my lights are turning off. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for the next one.